Hello guys, welcome back to All in Reality, and today we'll be looking into XR simulation tools which can help you to build your application in a smoother way while testing your application in the editor and simulate the behavior of the app in different environments and different conditions, and try to create your app as much as physically aware using the virtual spaces, right? So this is possible using AR Foundation right now, and you can use this for AR Core and AR Kit applications using Unity. And right now you can see all this complete manual here, right? Which I'll be giving this link in the description of this video. You can see all the overview, what are all the features it will cover, like device tracking, plane tracking, 2D image tracking, 3D body tracking. It will not, and it will do raycast, it will do session management. All these things you can test it in the simulation, right? Where you will have few limitations, like kind of it will not be exactly accurate like how you do it in real world, but still it can cover you 90%. And you can see all these things why you can go to project settings and you can get this from XR plugin management. I'll show you all these things in the video. Get started and kind of quick way to implement this in your project. So I'm just going to show you a particular sample project which given by Unity. You can see here simple AR sample. You can download this. You need 5.0.2 AR Foundation version and AR Core and Kit plugins, which you'll be using for AR Core for Android, AR Kit for iOS, and you need at least Unity 2022 plus version, which I'll be using in this video. I have taken this project. Let's open this in Unity and try to see how you can easily set this up. So I have taken this project and opened it up. You can see this is the project which I've taken. It doesn't change much. It is AR session, which has AR input manager, and it has XR origin, which is newly added XR origin instead of AR session origin, and which is actually kind of cross-platform for VR and AR. And right now we have everything else is similar: plane manager, point cloud manager, raycast manager, and we have only one particular thing, which is place on plane. We are using surface tracking here with the XR tools, so that's why we are just having a place cube on the plane script. So this is a cube which will actually get placed in a plane while it detects, right? So you have to go to Windows, XR, AR Foundation, XR environments. So this is already available in my project. That's why you're seeing all these things. But normally you will get this with default simulation environment, which looks like this, right? So this is basic simulation of real world. You can see the plane, which will actually get detected by our point clouds and plane detection. So let's play and see how it will actually work. We have already place on plane script. You can see this is the game. I can use my cursor and mouse to maneuver, and I can rotate my particular view. I can use WASD keys to move in this 3D environment, and Q for down, E for up. You can see the real camera here, right? So I'm just doing this WASD for moving, and Q and E for the movement. And you can see all the point clouds came, and it is just like a real world plane, right? So I can just tap on plane, and I can place it in horizontal, vertical, anywhere, right? So this is the main motto of this tutorial, just to get started with this. So you can import sample environments. I already did those things. So I'm just selecting kitchen, and again doing this. So if I'm placing some appliances like fridge or washing machine, something, right? So I'll be able to go to kitchen and place it. If I want something in the living room, I can go and change it into living room, right? So that is a particular thing here. So you can simulate this in different environments, which can give you like wide variety of test scenarios and environments where you can actually embed your AR objects into the real world. You can see this. I'm just going to place the cube on the particular table. Because of the gizmos, you're not able to see, but you can see the cube here, right? So I placed it on the table. Yeah. So this is the main particular tutorial here to get started. In the next tutorial, we will do how image tracking can work in the simulation tools. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. for more AR related content. Thank you.